Hello and welcome back to another beautiful video of the new Java 42 Bobber. I'm going to let you know how it sounds. I'm just removing the side kickstand, already turned on. Let me hold the clutch. Hope you can hear the sound of this bike. Sounds great. Sounds fantastic. Very mean. Very refined sound, and it looks great. Sounds fantastic. And the best part, what I like about this bike is it's super smooth. I hope you can hear the sound of the bike. It's beautiful. So as I put the kickstand, the engine stops. There is no center stand in the bike. I am going to turn it off. That's it. Look at that. Look at that bike. So good. So beautiful. An amazing looking bike. Sounds fantastic. Sounds great. And this is something you can buy to rule the roads. Very mean machine. Very beautiful. Well crafted. Fantastically designed. No wires visible whatsoever. Very minimalistic and strong road presence. This is something anyone would like to ride on for a very long time. Engine is very reliable, liquid cooled, 326 24 cc, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure. I was just kidding. All right, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my video for more reviews and walk-arounds on these bikes. I'm also gonna post a test ride of this bike very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.